Oh my god, you guys. If y'all saw the Grammys, which was like 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, oh my god, I fell in love with Bebe Rexha. Her makeup was a little something like this. I'll pop a picture. But the bitch was slaying. Her hair was blonde and flipped, and she just killed it, boobs out, and girl, I said I need to recreate this look because it's the best from the Grammys. I love her music. Like, girl was just giving me life, honey. So I said I have to recreate this look for you guys, and this is how it turned out. This is Bebe Rexha, my interpretation of Bebe Rexha's I can't talk, her Grammys look that she did for 2018. She slayed, and if you guys want to see this look, keep watching and let's slay together, honey. Mwah. And happy Valentine's Day. Come on, let's get this started, huh? You guys, before we start this look, I do want to say that I already went ahead and did my foundation, and I mixed two. I mixed the Fit Me foundation and I used the Kryolan foundation, and I'm soon gonna have a foundation routine because these two have changed my life, honey. Beard wear, beard who? Anyways, I used that, but before I use that, of course, you have to moisturize. I use an eye cream. I use the Pond's eye cream. This is like so cheap, and I also use the Rimmel Stay Matte, and girl, can you believe I got a sale? It was $3.74. It's usually like $5. Anyways, and then I baked with a powder. I used the Patrick Star powder. This is so good. And I went ahead and did my eyebrows. I will have a face routine, an updated face routine pretty soon, and an eyebrow routine pretty soon. But anyways, enough of that rambling. To start this Bebe Rexha look, you're gonna need the Modern Renaissance palette, and you can find this anywhere. You can find this at Ulta, Sephora. It's like so good, like so good. I'm only using this palette, so here's the eye. Here's no eye. So girl, if you want this Bebe Rexha look, let's begin. And to begin this Bebe Rexha look, you want to take your Modern Renaissance palette and a flat brush, a flat packing brush. I'm taking the Kylie one. It's really good. And you want to take the first shade, which is Tempera, right here. Dip your brush in there. Tap the little axis. And you have your eyebrows done. So now you're just gonna put the eyeshadow on the brow bone all the way down to the beginning of the brow. Just there. Just on the brow bone. Like so. If you want to be a flashy bitch, add more. If you want to just keep it like little subtle, add less. However you want it, girl. If you want more, if you want to stand out, add more. If you want less, then add less. There's no rules in makeup. Any makeup, like this could be a look. I throw on an eyelash, it could be a look, girl. Don't tell anybody, oh, you're doing it wrong, girl. You choose what you want to do. Today, we're trying to do the Bebe Rexha look, but you can make it your own. You don't have to do it exactly like her makeup artist did it. I know I didn't do it exactly, but you know what? But I forgot that you need tape. So we could get that really snatched eye, if you can see. You can achieve that by using tape. You don't have to use tape, but it's less messy and it's more precise. So, girl, I love me some tape. You want to put it really close to your lash line. And there you go. Again, we're going back on Love Letter. I grabbed a little bit on my 433 or any blending brush that you have. I'll have some good ones too. And you want to keep that, look, just watch me, bitch. Keep that color right there. Right there. Stamp it, mark it. Like that's a little corner. And then you want to drag it to the rest of the lid slowly. Slowly. You want to take your time with makeup. Slowly. It kind of feels weird when you have contacts on. These are not my natural eye color. This is not my natural eye color. So, anyways, be careful. Take your time, like I said. You want to start in the outer corner and drag it all the way down. And don't take it really, really high, because we're keeping, like I said, we're keeping that look really low. So, drag it all the way. It's okay if it doesn't look perfect yet, because that's why we're gonna switch brushes and blend it and add more if we need to, and if not, well, then we don't. You want to switch to a fluffier, more long bristled brush. This is the tapered blending brush by Sigma. It's like $20, I believe, but it's so good. I will tell you, like, when you get paid, instead of going out to the club and wasting your money, like, don't go out and buy this brush. That's just me though. Or if you can do both, freaking go for it. But yeah, this brush, it's a little pricey, but it does the work for you. And if you don't want to spend the coin, girl, Morphe has a similar brush. This is the M441 for the same price. I mean, for the same price. For like, this is like $7. Oh my god. But anyways, they're very similar. But this one is like just amazing. But they both do the same thing. Anyways, back to the eye. You want to concentrate the brush right where you put the eyeshadow, and we're gonna slowly blend it and smoke it out so you get rid of those harsh lines, but not completely, because this look is snatched. It's really like crisp, but you still want to blend it a little bit. You don't want to look like you just put eyeshadow, you know. So keep blending slowly all the way down. I already look like Bebe Rexha, bitch. Oh my god, I'm sick. Okay, you guys, so I totally forgot to tell y'all to like minimize the fallout. You've got to use a loose powder. You know, Patrick Star. And we'll put it underneath the eye. Right there. I put the tape, so I'm gonna try. I tried to put it all around the eye. So if you make a mistake or whatever, and the fallout comes out, just swoop it. Okay, you guys, we put that powder on. Now we're moving back with the eyeshadows. I'm going with Valentine Red. It's a red. And I'm taking this E18 by Morphe. It's a detailed eye brush. It's really small, so you can really get in those creases. Tap the axis. And we're gonna concentrate that color right there on the outer corner. Drag it all the way in the inner corner. So we're gonna concentrate the color here, and then here. And once you have less product, you wanna go in the middle and connect it a little bit. Like that. Like, you wanna slightly, so slightly touch the eye to connect it, because you don't want to put too much color right there. Just focus it right there and right there, just like that. Now we're gonna go back to your blending eye crease brush and blend everything together so it could be smooth yet flaky. You don't want to look like you're bruised, honey. Now we're gonna put, because in the Bebe Rexha look, I've noticed she had a little hint of glitter or eyeshadow, and it was just like the slightest little bit, like right there, and it looked so pretty. It made it stand out. So we're gonna use this product that I just discovered. It is like so good. It's the Stila Glitter and Glow in the color Kitten Karma. I'm just gonna put the slightest bit more if you need to. Is grab an eye brush for the lid, and we're gonna go with the Modern Renaissance palette, and we're gonna use Vermeer, which is a rose gold color with a lot of little glitter. Let's soften that up and just concentrate it on the glitter. With that detailed eye crease brush, if I can find it, it's right here. Don't put any additional product. Just blend that a little bit so it looks very transitioned. And it doesn't look like you just stamped some glitter on there. It looks very blended. Airbrush. Grand reveal. Grand reveal, bitch. I'm gonna take this tape off. Look how motherfucking snatched that looks. Wow. I noticed that Bebe Rexha didn't have any top liner, and if she did, you could barely see it, but I don't think she did. She just had a little black liner, so I'm using this NYX Eye Kohl in the color Black Noir. Oh, she just burped, honey. Just like that, see? My weave. Now I'm gonna throw on these lashes, and I got them at the beauty supply store. These are by Casina, and I like them because the ends are tapered. They look really realistic, so I'm gonna put those on. We'll put the other one on and then finish this look. So I'll be right back. Okay, kids, to continue with this look, we've done the eyes. Now it's time to slay the face, honey. And in makeup, there's no rules. I've went on vacation in Houston and I can't find any of my contour palettes. I'm pretty sure they're in my car somewhere. But anyways, I'm using the Morphe eyeshadow palette because these have some eyeshadows that can work as a highlight. And these eyeshadows, the brown ones, can work as contour. So there's no rules in makeup, girl. You do your thing. Taking the lightest shades, highlight underneath my eyes, because we did put concealer and we did put foundation earlier and we set the face, but this is just gonna brighten up that under eye area even more. Just like that. And take your favorite brush. I'm using the Sigma Spotlight Duster underneath the eye, and highlight your highlight areas, your T-zone. I'm taking cheap brush, bitch. I go from Sigma, which is kind of pricey, to Elf. This was like $1, $2. And I take these brows right here. I'm taking this middle shade. It's like a chocolate cocoa brown. So you want to do that triple chin, double chin, because Bebe Rexha, she snatched, honey. She has a jaw. And Melina Glam, she's just been eating too much, honey. So we're gonna snatch that. And since this wig is really blonde, I can get away with contouring even more because the blonde, the platinum, kind of washes out my face. Guys, now I'm taking the Patrick Star powder, and with that same Sigma brush I used to highlight, I'ma put it all over my face to set the whole face. Y'all kids know I like to put a setting spray, and I'm using the Mario Badescu Skincare Rose Water. I'm gonna cover your eyes so you only get your face. And I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Salted Caramel. Highlighting the nose. Oh, bitch. Come on, Kylie. We'll take it right there. I like highlighting with an eyeshadow brush. Everybody highlights different, but I like highlighting with it. And for lips, I'm using the NYX color pencil in the color Mauve. Okay, you guys, I did the lip liner. Now I'm gonna take Kimmy from the KKW collection for a little pop of color. Now, mascara. And then we're gonna be done, honey. So take your favorite mascara. I'm using the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. Shout out to Angel Flores for giving it to me. I love it. Use your mirror. So you guys, this completes the Bebe Rexha Grammy. I can't talk. The Grammys look she wore. The eyes were burgundy. They were really pretty. It was really simple, and I said, bitch, this is perfect for Valentine's Day. You only need one palette, which is a Modern Renaissance palette, and I took the Stila Glow Glitter, which is the star of the show, because look at that. It looks so simple, so easy, so beautiful, so elegant, so pretty. So I could keep going and going and going. And it suits any platinum blonde, and it suits everybody, not just platinum blondes. Let me know if you guys love this look, if you guys enjoyed this look, if I should do more celebrity looks, or whatever you want to see. I'm sorry, you guys, I haven't been on social media. I will have a video explaining why I haven't been on social media. I'm a little sick right now, but you know what, you guys, I wanted to film for you guys because you guys have asked me, where have you been, bitch? Like, I've been my setup. Oh my god, I just almost, okay, my lady, there you go. I almost dropped all my setup and everything. I'm glad to be back, you guys, and thank you for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I love everyone that comments on my Snapchat. It's at StevieSexy10, by the way. My Instagram at StevieSexy10. Add me. My Facebook, Melina Glam. And my boy Facebook, Stevie Ruiz, R-U-I-Z. But anyways, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you pretty soon. If you enjoyed this look, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, give it a comment, tell me something, write me a message, add me everywhere, and happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Anyways, I'm rambling too much. Bye-bye, guys.